Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best bird repellents you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many bird repellents and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each bird repellents so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a bird repellent. First, think about the type of repellent you need based on your bird problem. Visual repellents like reflective tape work well in open areas, while sound or ultrasonic devices are better for larger spaces. Second, check the area coverage and durability of the product. Outdoor repellents should handle weather changes. Third, ensure the repellent is safe for birds, pets, and the environment, avoiding harmful chemicals. Fourth, consider ease of installation and maintenance. Some repellents require regular repositioning or power sources. Finally, compare prices and reviews to find a cost-effective and reliable option. Choosing the right repellent helps protect your space without harming wildlife. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.